Hello and welcome to the new video lesson of our course, and in this video you will be learning about advantages of WordPress CMS. The first and the main advantage of WordPress is it's simple and easy to use. I already explained you about the interface in the previous video, and you can also see that it's very easy to learn and get used to. This quality helped WordPress overcome competitors like Drupal or Joomla and become the favorite choice of web developers everywhere, eliminating the need to master HTML, CSS, PHP, and other complicated technologies. You don't have to deal with any coding if you don't want to. You can choose from templates for WordPress websites or work with a professional web developer if you are looking for a more custom and unique web design or require certain features. This allows you to eliminate the time you'd spend learning web design and may give you time to devote to growing other areas of your business. The next point is it's stable and innovative. Similar to your phone, WordPress stays up to date with the latest technology trends and the user needs. The function and purpose of a website can change over time. And thankfully, WordPress is up to that task. Regular updates mean that the CMS stays relevant. Problems are resolved and new, useful and exciting features are added regularly. The next point is it has attractive design options. WordPress comes with thousands of dedicated themes. Many of them are free, allowing you to customize and personalize your creation as you wish. The point number 3 is it's flexible. You can choose from around 22,000 plugins and thousands of themes in order to give your website a new look or adapt it to the constantly changing trends of social media. For example, for search engine optimization, install the Yoast SEO plugin. Or perhaps remarketing on Facebook is something you're looking after. Pixel Your Site may be a plugin for you. With other CMSs, installing specialized tools like these can be incredibly complicated. With WordPress, there's a library of plugins with a variety of purposes that can be installed in just a few minutes. Make sure you read through the reviews and make sure it's updated on a regular basis before installing it to your website. The next point is search engine optimization, which is the most important if you want to reach your target customers or get more sales, leads, etc. WordPress makes SEO a piece of cake, simplifying the use of H1, H2 and H3 tags, which I'll be telling about in the future videos, the use of keywords in your website URL, and supporting plugins like SEO Ultimate, All-in-One SEO Pack, Platinum SEO Pack, Yoast WordPress SEO, etc. And if you're going to spend time building a website for your customers, you want to make sure they can find it, right? The next thing is structure. One of the features that make WordPress SEO ready is its structure. Clean structure website loads faster and fast loading website appear to visitors. Then WordPress allows the creation of XML sitemaps, which I'll show you how to create, telling Google's bots where your website pages are and which are worth crawling. It will save you a fortune on web design SEO services. People charge very much money to just create and update your XML sitemaps, and with WordPress plugins, you can do it for free. Easy content management is another good thing offered by WordPress. Managing content has never been easier, and you can simplify things even by more assigning editors, authors, administrators, and limiting their freedom. If you can edit a Word document, Then you can edit content on your WordPress website. Community. WordPress favors communities and membership based website and does not require special knowledge like proprietary software and other tools that internet website designers may use. The next thing is the sharing ability. Sharing is easier than ever in the huge WordPress community. You have widgets for the social media plugins, APIs, and everything you need to connect your social media accounts with your website and share your content on various platforms. The next most important thing is WordPress is open source. Open source software is a software whose source code is available for modification or enhancement by anyone. As open source software, WordPress is being improved every day by thousands of developers around the world. This has attracted developers to contribute new features to the platform. These developers have created a stream of new plugins that make WordPress more convenient and useful every day. If there is a functionality that you need for your site, chances are there is a WordPress plugin in the WordPress directory that can do it. Developers also work with graphic artists to create attractive themes, and many of these themes are either free or priced competitively. Because of the strong community of innovative developers, WordPress websites can be as unique as the companies that use them. The next good thing about WordPress is that it's responsive. This CMS is your best choice if you want your website to adjust to the device it is accessed from and provide your visitors with an unforgettable experience, whether from smartphone, tablet, or desktop computer. The next thing that is good about WordPress is its functionality. While most HTML website builders include only basic functionality, WordPress takes the concept to a whole new level, offering themes and plugins that make it easy to customize your website and improve the user experience. When you sign up for a WordPress website, there is no limit to how you can utilize the variety of plugins and themes. With a range of modern and contemporary themes, almost everyone can build a site for any type of business, including e-commerce, retail companies, professional blogging, job listings, non-profit businesses, small businesses, and online communities. Application Programming Interfaces (APIs). Social media network offer APIs, allowing the integration of third-party services with user websites. WordPress makes available thousands of APIs, giving you the freedom to integrate outside resource into your website. The next great thing is its scalability. If you need a fast loading functional website in the beginning, things may change as your business grows and begins to thrive. Web developers everywhere will confirm that WordPress allows you to create your own website's network fast and easy, saving time and resources. The WordPress support is great. The WordPress community includes thousands of technicians and volunteers providing free advice and supports on various forums. All you need to do is post your question and you will receive your answer in no time. The next great thing is its speed and efficiency. As hard to believe as it may seem, WordPress allows you to build your website in as little as a single day, only requiring pictures and content. Many may argue that there are other proprietary softwares options that are out there, and some of them offer most of the above benefits, but none of them will offer all at once, and none will rise to the value, flexibility, and efficiency of WordPress. Understood all the advantages of WordPress and just meet you in the next lesson.